Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video you will find out how to remove background from images with Remove.bg. By using this website known as Remove.bg you can easily remove the background of any image, so go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any uploads, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser and search for Remove.bg and go ahead and click on the first link. Here you can either upload the image you want to use or just drag and drop it off your PC. You can also use this website on your mobile, so just upload the picture that you want to use here. As soon as you upload the picture, you'd see it will start removing the background of your image. Once done, you'd be able to edit it if you want, like go into effects, and you can add in a blur background or a shadow effect like Photoshop. Click on Design in order to connect it with Canva to add in text, elements, or even a template of Canva. Through the Background tab you can add in any picture as the background of the image, or you can choose any color to add as the background. That is how you can use Remove.bg in order to remove the background of any image in just moments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more quick and easy tutorials like these.